Looking for a kitchen faucet and feeling completely lost with all the options out there? I get it. There are hundreds of models that look almost identical but perform totally differently. I've done the research so you don't have to, and today I'm breaking down 7 faucets that cover every need and budget, from that professional chef aesthetic to hands-free convenience. All the links are in the description, so let's get into it. First up is the Owofan 9009SN, and honestly, this one punches way above its weight. It's got that gorgeous commercial-style design with the exposed spring coil that instantly makes your kitchen look like a professional culinary workspace. We're talking 18.5 inches tall with a 9-inch spout reach, so it creates a real statement. The construction uses stainless steel with solid brass internals, which gives it a surprisingly sturdy feel. What I really appreciate is the dual-mode sprayer that toggles between an aerated stream for everyday tasks and a powerful rinse spray for blasting stubborn food off your pots. Installation is genuinely straightforward since it comes with pre-attached water lines and includes a deck plate for 3-hole sinks. The hose retraction uses a counterweight system, which I actually prefer because there are no magnets or electronics that could wear out over time. It's that classic mechanical reliability that just works. For anyone wanting that industrial chef kitchen vibe without the premium investment, this delivers the look beautifully. Okay, but what if you want to step into serious premium territory? The Moen Springwave 5923 EWBL is absolutely stunning. This thing stands at 22.5 inches tall, making it a genuine centerpiece, especially on a kitchen island. The star feature here is Motion Sense Wave technology. A simple hand wave near the sensor activates the water flow. Imagine your hands covered in raw chicken or sticky cookie dough, and you can turn on the water without touching anything. The matte black finish resists corrosion beautifully and maintains that sleek look over time. Moen's Power Clean technology concentrates the stream to deliver 50% more cleaning force than standard faucets, so you're getting serious rinsing power while staying water efficient. The reflex retraction system ensures the spray head glides back smoothly every single time. The motion sensor is impressively responsive, and Moen even gives you the option to customize the sensitivity or disable it entirely through a quick handle sequence, so you have complete control over how you want to use it. Personally, I think this is one of the most beautiful faucets on the market right now. For the design-conscious homeowner who values both aesthetics and technology, this is the dream upgrade. And now here's one that might surprise you. The Wewe pull-out faucet has become incredibly popular, and for good reason. It features a more transitional tulip design that works beautifully in various kitchen styles, from modern to traditional. Picture yourself filling a tall pasta pot or rinsing off a big cutting board after prepping vegetables. This faucet handles all of it effortlessly. What sets this apart is the 3-function spray head that includes stream, spray, and a pause button. That pause feature is genuinely useful because you can stop the water while moving the sprayer between pots, reducing splashing and conserving water. The pressure feels surprisingly strong, and installation takes under 30 minutes, even if you're not particularly handy. Compared to the Owofan, this one has a softer, more elegant silhouette, rather than the industrial look. It's one of those faucets that delivers way more than you'd expect, and honestly, that pause button alone makes everyday kitchen tasks so much smoother. The functionality you get here represents remarkable value. The Gimili GM1062 attempts something ambitious, and I think they pulled it off pretty well. It combines the commercial spring aesthetic with touchless motion activation at a mid-range price point. It uses an infrared sensor similar to the Moen, plus it adds an LED light on the spray head that changes color based on water temperature. Blue for cold, green for warm, red for hot. That visual temperature indicator is actually a safety feature you typically only find on much more expensive models. The 20-inch height gives you plenty of clearance for large cookware. This one is perfect for tech lovers who enjoy having all the bells and whistles. You get touchless activation, temperature feedback, and that striking commercial look all in one package. And here's a cool bonus. The system is modular, so you can run it touchless or switch to full manual mode whenever you want. For someone who loves smart features and appreciates having options, this offers a ton of functionality for the investment. And watch out for this next one because it's where things get really interesting. The Delta Essa 9113 TL-BL-DST uses a completely different approach. Instead of motion sensors, this uses Touch 2.0 capacitive technology, meaning the entire faucet body becomes the sensor. You can tap it with your forearm, elbow, or wrist when your hands are messy. Honestly, this feels way more intuitive than trying to wave precisely in front of a sensor. The TempSense LED at the base shows blue, magenta, or red depending on water temperature, preventing any accidental scalding. Delta's Diamond Seal technology uses industrial diamonds in the valve cartridge, designed to last 5 million uses without leaking. The magnetite docking system uses a powerful magnet to snap the spray head firmly into place every time. You know what's the best part? Delta designed this with a modular system so you can easily switch between electronic and manual operation whenever you prefer. That kind of flexibility is brilliant engineering. For busy families where kids and adults alike need something intuitive and built to last, the Delta Essa stands out as the smartest overall choice. The Moen Arbor 7594 SRS takes a completely different philosophy. Pure mechanical reliability with a transitional design that fits virtually any kitchen style. The real star here is the spot-resist stainless finish, which actively repels water spots and fingerprints. If you live in an area with hard water, you know how nice it is to have a faucet that stays clean with minimal effort. This finish genuinely delivers on that promise. The reflex retraction system provides that same smooth, reliable docking as the premium Moen models. This one is ideal for people who appreciate elegant simplicity without any electronics to think about. The ceramic disc cartridge delivers a silky smooth handle feel and exceptional longevity. The build quality is solid throughout, and the handle connection is designed to stay tight for years. Compared to the Delta Essa's high-tech approach, this is the set-it-and-forget-it option for homeowners who value timeless durability and effortless maintenance. Finally, the Delta Windemere 21996LF serves a specific but important purpose. This is a two-handle faucet with a separate side sprayer, designed for 4-hole sink configurations. If your sink already has 4 holes from an older faucet, this drops right in without needing deck plates to cover unused openings. The washerless stem cartridge technology is incredibly robust and tolerant of debris and water lines, plus repair parts are available at literally any hardware store for just a few dollars. You can service this one forever, which is amazing for long-term value. The traditional styling works perfectly in classic kitchens or period homes where you want that timeless look. The design prioritizes proven reliability and easy maintenance, which is exactly what a lot of homeowners appreciate. For anyone with a traditional kitchen setup or landlords managing multiple properties, this is the dependable workhorse that delivers year after year. All right, let's recap so you can figure out which one's right for you. If you want smart technology that feels intuitive, the Delta Essa with its Tap Anywhere functionality is the clear winner. After that stunning commercial aesthetic with premium features, the Moen Springwave delivers both beauty and innovation. Living with hard water and want effortless maintenance, the Moen Arbor's spot resist finish is a game changer. Want that chef kitchen look at a great value? The Owofan nails it. Looking for excellent functionality with that useful pause feature? The Wewe is your pick. Love smart features and want touchless tech with LED temperature feedback? Go with the Gimili. And for traditional 4-hole sinks where long-term serviceability matters, the Delta Windemere is unmatched. All the links are down in the description. Tell me in the comments which one you're going with. See you in the next one.